Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Magnifier for Lenovo Legion laptop. To do this, we'll need to open our start and then go to the settings. Here select accessibility, there's Magnifier, and now you can turn it on and off. And to get access to it or to simply enable or disable it, here's the toolbar. You can click on X to close it. But there's also keyboard shortcuts, so you can use Windows logo with plus to open a magnifier and press Windows logo and escape to turn it off. And you can also adjust the magnification zoom level and other settings as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.